Hey YouTube, Steven the Salon Guy here, and you're probably wondering who this gorgeous girl next to me is. It's Rachel, and Rachel is on my team, and what we're going to be doing is she's going to be doing a tutorial on how she's going to enhance her curls. As you can see here, she's got the perfect natural gorgeous wave. So I said, let's do a video of how someone like you with this beautiful natural wave can enhance the wave using a wand. So I'm going to turn it over to Rachel, and she's going to show you how to get a beautiful wave using a wand. So let's get started.
Hey guys, my name is Rachel, and today I'm going to curl my hair using a wand just to kind of enhance these natural waves that I have going on. But first, I'm going to use Dust by TheSalonGuy. It's a dry shampoo, and it's going to just soak up some of the oils to give it a new fresh look. So first, I'm going to just section my hair so that I can take it piece by piece. And I just pull my hair back and I leave some down below, and I just take a hair tie that I always keep on me and tie it into like this little man bun looking thing. And then I'm just gonna start curling piece by piece. I never start all the way up on my scalp because I want it to have like more of a loose curl to it. And I wrap it all the way around. Be careful not to burn yourself. Hold it all the way to the end. And I hold it for like 4 to 5 seconds, not to burn or damage my hair too much. And I just drop it and I let it go. And I have like these nice, cute wand curls. So I'm just gonna do a few more sections in the back, and then I'll come back and show you how I do the sides and the top of my hair. So I completed this one side of my head, and I'm just gonna give you guys a look on how it looks. Super curly, adds a nice lot of volume to my hair. And now I'm gonna show you on this side how to do it. So again, just sectioning my hair so I have some non-curled pieces down. I try to keep the already curled pieces off to the other side that I'm not working on right now. And then I just pull a little piece. Don't go all the way to the root again. Just start right there. Wrap it around, and I just hold, wait a few seconds, and then I let go. And I don't let it drop all the way so I don't lose the curl, and I just scrunch it up, drop it down, and then I have this nice piece. I usually hold it horizontally like this, and just wait for a few seconds, and then drop the curls down, scrunch it, and then that's it. And I have these awesome curls. And now, to finish it up, I usually just run my hair and hands through my hair, just kind of loosen it all up. Sometimes I'll add more of the dust at the end. Gives it a nice soft, not oily feel to my hair. So that's my tutorial on how I enhance my curls with a wand, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below on if you liked it or any other video ideas you have for us. Bye!